Happy August, Crafty Rebels. Today's video, we're going to be making paper wallets. I saw this tutorial on YouTube and immediately I thought that would be so fun to do for Halloween. So I'm going to try and link the video that I watched below. If I can remember and find it, I will link it below. So I'm going to be using the Hey Pumpkin collection, and I just grabbed out 3 papers, and actually this is from After Dark. I think I'm going to go with this and then just decorate it with the Hey Pumpkin stuff. So let's get started. I'm really excited. So originally I think you can use an 8x10 piece of paper. So if you want to use a solid piece of cardstock and then mat it with the pattern paper, you can totally do that as well. But I'm going to go directly in with the double-sided paper. I'm just measuring out how I want the wallet. They're supposed to be smaller, but you can make them any size you want. But the one I saw was like a man's wallet, you know, typical size. Well, start off cutting your 12x12 in half. So I'm going to do it 6x10. I'm going to actually cut another inch off because I'm going to go with 6x9. And then I can always trim a bit more if I want to. All right, now I'm going to score it in half. So half of 9 is 4.5. So right here. And I'm going to score it 2 inches. I'm going to trim it a bit more because I want it to be a little smaller. Customize it the way you like it. So this would be your paper wallet. I think I'm going to trim it just a little bit over here so that it's just a little bit smaller. But I like the inside. I think that looks so cute, these 2 pattern papers together. But I will trim it because when folding with the score lines, it's not, as you can see, it's overlapping. So I'm going to trim that. So the construction is pretty much done. Depending on how you want your paper wallet to be, I think this is good. Maybe even a little bit longer would have been nice too, but it really depends on the size you want. So in the end, this one measures, let's see. So I started packing and I put away all my rulers. So this is the one I was going to throw out. It's about 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches. And then we're going to get to decorating. All you got to do is add some adhesive on this end and this end over here. Super simple. I'm going to use my handy dandy mono multi-liquid glue because this is the one I love to use when I work with paper. And a little goes a long way. I say that every time, so just make sure you don't put too much because it is pretty tacky and it will make a mess. Okay. So now I'm going to go through my embellishments and see what I want to use to decorate. I'm playing around with a lot of stuff, trying to figure out how I want this. And I kind of like the look of this here. But I found some stuff and I thought it'd be really fun to kind of keep it with the wallet theme. I found some printables. So this is like, I'm trying to think of like, what can you include in a wallet? Obviously there's cards, like business cards and credit cards, which I can't really do right now. I can't make a Halloween credit card. But people also keep photos in their wallets. So I have these vintage photos that I printed off Pinterest, and I thought it would be fun to include some of these inside. And like maybe some ads for certain products they want to pick up and stuff like that. Maybe even like a business card for a fortune teller, that kind of stuff. And then I also have some embellishments from Hey Pumpkin that I want to gift to my pen pal as well. So I'm going to put those things aside for now. Something I haven't done in a while. And let's distress the heck out of this. I'm going to use the Hickory Smoke because it's new to me. I recently picked it up on sale at Michael's. So, it's too much. That's too much. That's too much. Immediate regret. It's okay. It's Halloween. Things are supposed to be grungy, right? Distress these pieces, not too much. Alright, so let's start gluing things down. I'm going to use my favorite adhesive from Tombow, the Mono Dots, because it gives me some wiggle room. apologize if you hear noises. My parents downstairs. Soon enough, I'll be living on my own. Yay. Okay. Okay. You guys, are you guys like that too? When you have the perfect placement, you're just like so paranoid not to lift anything up as to not ruin it? Or is it just me? I think I'm gonna use this ghosty. So, and then Mr. Ghost. Oh yeah, I wanted to raise that up. Oh well, it's okay. Mr. Ghost. Mr. Ghost goes right here. I think it looks cute. Now this space might need something, so let me see. Should I add some washi tape? Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is add some washi tape and then add that sticker on top. Now, I wish I had more of this one, to be honest, because I'm almost, oh, look, compared to, I use it a lot. Yeah, anyway, so I think I'm gonna actually just tear it like that. So let me just add some adhesive. There we go. Maybe if I put like a bat here. Yes, 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 yes. I can kind of hide that mistake I don't like. Nice. These stickers are so freaking cute, but damn, they do not stick whatsoever. Sorry about my phone blowing up over there. Maybe I'll put one here. I think I'm gonna add a lot of bling today. I'm in just one of those moods. Oh, there's little mini ones. Okay, hold on. Maybe I'll add a mini one. So I'm gonna just pause it. You don't need to see me fiddling around with where I'm gonna put these little blings. So I'll be right back and show you how everything looks at the end. I think I like the placement of the blings for now, like this. So that's the front cover. I might add something here. No, I'm not. Okay, so now we're gonna decorate the panels over here, and then I'm gonna add the goodies on the inside. So. Okay, I like that a lot more. Okay. So, I'm actually going to use the adhesive liquid glue because it's bumpy and I want it to make sure to stick nicely. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with this tombstone thing here. I like the little witch here. Okay, and then to decorate this little guy, well, I'm just gonna start adding things in just to see what it's gonna look like. I kind of like the skeletons. Okay, I'll leave that there. And then like trick or treat. Oh, well, I want the trick or treat to show. Trick or treat. I'm just gonna jam pack this with a bunch of ephemera bits for my pen pal. So it's kind of chunky, and you know the having the embellishments here, obviously. So if you want to add like a gusset, you can, depending on how much goodies you want to include for your pen pal. You can even tuck in a letter for your pen palies. So I think I'm just going to even add a moon. Oh yeah, okay. Keep it simple. I'm gonna leave it at this. I don't want to overdo it. And just make sure when you fold that it's not touching the middle, so you don't bend your goodies. So there you go. Here's my paper wallet, Halloween style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think it turned out really, really cute and really fun. And if anything, you can even write a little message here for them. But if you want them to be able to reuse this, maybe add them in, like once they take out all the goodies, they can punch holes and add it into their October daily, or they can just add it directly into a pocket in their October daily, and they can add photos here, they can add photos on the inside. So once they take out the goodies, it's a wallet and it's a pocket that they can use for other things. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, Rebels, and I'll be back later in August with another Halloween video for you guys. Be safe out there, everyone. Love you guys. Bye.